As indicated by the most recent long-haul figure, Avalanche cost will hit $100 by the center of 2024 and afterward $250 toward the finish of 2025. Avalanche will ascend to $300 inside the time of 2030 and $400 in 2035. Avalanche value expectation 2024-2025. Avalanche cost began in 2024 at $38.94. Today, Avalanche exchanged at $42.80, so the cost expanded by 10% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Avalanche cost toward the finish of 2024 is $125.64, and the year-to-year change plus 223%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 194%. In 2024, we hope to see $84.49 per one Avalanche. In the principal half of 2025, the Avalanche cost will move to $166.44. In the last part, the cost would add $11.59 and close the year at $178.03, which is plus 316% to the ongoing cost. Avalanche forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Avalanche cost would move from $178.03 to $219.91, which is up 24%. Avalanche will begin 2026 at $178.03, then dip to $161.63 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $169.84. That implies plus 297% from today. Avalanche expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Avalanche cost would ascend from $299.91 to $304.66, which is plus 39%. Avalanche will begin 2031 at $290.91, then take off to $234.19 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $248.45. It is about plus 481% from today. SRA 215204. Avalanche value forecast 2024-2025. Avalanche cost began in 2024 at $38.94. Today, Avalanche exchanged at $41.92, so the cost expanded by 8% from the outset of the year. The determined Avalanche cost toward the finish of 2024 is $238.86 and the year-to-year change plus 513%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 470%. In 2024, we hope to see $122.10 per one Avalanche. In the main portion of 2025, the Avalanche cost will move to $271.38. In the last part, the cost would add $15.84 and close the year at $287.22, which is plus 585% to the ongoing cost. Avalanche expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Avalanche cost would move from $287.22 to $749.26, which is up 161%. Avalanche will begin 2026 at $287.22, then take off to $304.32 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $305.03. That implies plus 628% from today. Avalanche expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Avalanche cost would rise altogether from $749.26 to $713.85, which is plus 129%. Avalanche will begin 2031 at $749.26, then, at that point, take off to $844.79 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $9.45.77. It is about plus 156% from today. SRA 1224. Avalanche value forecast 2024-2025. Avalanche cost began in 2024 at $38.94. Today, Avalanche exchanged at $33.18, so the cost diminished by 15% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Avalanche cost toward the finish of 2024 is $188.76, and the year-to-year change plus 385%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 470%. In 2024, we hope to see $96.49 per one Avalanche. In the main portion of 2025, the Avalanche cost will move to $214.46. In the last part, the cost would add $12.51 and close the year at $226.97, which is plus 585% to the ongoing cost. Avalanche expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Avalanche cost would move from $226.97 to $592.10, which is up 161%. Avalanche will begin 2026 at $226.97, then at that point take off to $240.48 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $241.04. That implies plus 628% from today. Avalanche expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Avalanche cost would rise fundamentally from $592.10 to $1,353.88, which is plus 129%. Avalanche will begin 2031 at $592.10, then at that point take off to $667.59 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $747.39. It is about plus 156% from today. 01152 Avalanche value forecast 2024-2025. Avalanche cost began in 2024 at $38.94. Today, Avalanche exchanged at $35.95. So the cost diminished by 8% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Avalanche cost toward the finish of 2024 is $230.20 and the year-to-year change plus 4091%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 540%. In 2024, we hope to see $130 per one Avalanche. In the principal half of 2025, the Avalanche cost will move to $246.23. In the final part, the cost would lose $22.69 and close the year at $223.54, which is plus 522% to the ongoing cost. Avalanche expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Avalanche cost would move from $223.54 to $598.78, which is up 168%. Avalanche will begin 2026 at $223.54, then take off to $234.90 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $211.60. That implies plus 489% from today. Avalanche forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Avalanche cost would ascend from $598.78 to $184.70, which is plus 98%. Avalanche will begin 2031 at $598.78, then, at that point, take off to $714.54 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $760.11. It is about plus 215% from today. 01204. Avalanche value forecast 2024-2025. Avalanche cost began in 2024 at $38.94. Today, Avalanche exchanged at $38.14. So the cost diminished by 2% from the start of the year. The anticipated Avalanche cost toward the finish of 2024 is $266.05 and the year-to-year change plus 583%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 598%. In 2024, we hope to see $150.92 per one Avalanche. In the main portion of 2025, the